Like most cities and urban areas around the world, one of the biggest challenges faced by residents of the city of Port Harcourt in Rivers State is housing. Affordable housing has remained elusive, especially for low and medium income earners who cannot afford to build or own a house of their own. The growing cost of living has further worsened their chances of achieving that goal. But there appears to be some glimmer of hope for many, as the Sim Fubara administration has entered into a long-term agreement with a private entity to provide 20,000 units of affordable housing in the new Port Harcourt city, formerly referred to as Greater Port Harcourt.
Your Excellency, under your leadership, you should be proud to say that this is the biggest development ever to be pronounced in the whole continent of Africa. Be rest assured, with God's guidance, that this project will be delivered. It's long-term, because we are looking at about 20,000 units. 20,000 units, there's nowhere that you will find it in the whole of the continent. That is the reality. It's long-term, so we will start, we will deliver, and it will be done in phases.
It is for the world to see that Rivers State is peaceful. Rivers State has a direction. It's for the world to see that our tomorrow will be greater than our today.
Governor Sim Fubara says the welfare and happiness of Rivers people is the main goal of his administration.
What we've done this afternoon is to give our people hope. Our government remains focused to the needs of our people. We will do everything to make sure that you're happy.
The governor is also suing for peace, stressing that peace is the only ingredient that can bring about the much-needed investment and development in the state.
I maintain crisis does not lead to anywhere. I join every one of you to maintain peace, not just for me, but for the sake of our dear state and the future of our state.
Saturday also sees the Rivers State government enter into another agreement for the construction of a mechanic and spare parts market. The project is in fulfillment of a promise Governor Sim Fubara made during one of his campaigns to the Ikoku area of Port Harcourt.
And when we told people our vision is not limited to what we have inherited, but something that will expand, we meant it with all seriousness. And you can see with what we have done today that the city will gradually start expanding, not limited to our present structure.
Governor Sim Fubara says he expects work on the two projects to kickstart in a week's time.